Hi there. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking at how to install WordPress website. So if you look at the screen, you see that the SS certificate we tried installing previously, after much refreshing and waiting, it actually, I just went back to the free SSL, just went back here, then clicked on this web hosting, then voila. So initially it was showing that the SS certificate wasn't installed, but now it has installed. So how do we know? Let's go back to our web browser. Now you can see the padlock there. Initially it was indicating not secure, but now you can see the padlock, and if I check it, saying that the certificate is valid and the issuer is from Google. So that's to tell us that our site is protected, and now we can proceed to install WordPress. So going back to my control hosting panel, so I'm just going to go back to home, then click on this, then now going to Softacular installer. So it's from this Softacular installer that I'm going to use to install my WordPress. So I'm going to click on it now. So I'm clicking on it. Awesome. So it should load in no time depending on your network. So this is the Softacular installer, and what I'm after is the WordPress. So just click on install. So as soon as I've done that, so this is the reason why it's showing only these domains, because that's the only domain on my account. So I'm going to change this from H to HTTPS. So this one is the unsecured, while the S, the additional of S, is the secured part. So I'm just going to leave everything the way it is like this. I can decide to change my site name, change this. I can try to put in, so let me just put in a password, and so you can decide to put in a password. So you put in a password that you can use to access your WordPress, and depending on the website, the security must be at least up to 70/100. So if you can see that mine is strong, so I can easily use it. So you can put in your email, depending if you want to put your email and the like. So out of everything, I don't need to do anything here. So just my password, my admin username. This is what I will use to log into my WordPress backend. So you have to keep these details securely. I can decide to put in a site name. So let me just put free WordPress, depending on whatever you want to use the site for. So as soon as I'm done, I'm just going to click on install. If you notice that I only tamper with this, then this part, so it might show you that a trusted SSL certificate was not found. You don't have to worry. You just make sure you choose this and let everything the way it is, and click on install. So I can decide to I won't save it. So it's installing, so it will create database itself, set up everything itself, so I don't need to do anything. So the only thing after this is done, I will just log into my WordPress backend. Awesome. So you can see that my WordPress has successfully installed on this domain name. So if I open this on a new tab, I should, this is my backend. So if you look at it, my administrative backend. So once I click, if you are conversant with WordPress, you should be able to know what to do from here. So I'm trying to load my WordPress backend. It should log me in automatically. Awesome. So this is my WordPress. So it's saying welcome to WordPress. So if you know what to do from here, or if you watch the free complete WordPress tutorial that is provided, you should be able to know what to do from here. And yeah, you should be able to know what to do from here. So this is the site name I gave the other time. So let me open it. So this is the site name I gave. So your WordPress is good to go. And this brings us to the end of this tutorial. So in the next tutorial, we'll be looking at plugins and some other setup that will enable us bypass the hosting limits. And as it stands, I can decide to use both this domain name and this hosting for as far as 5 years plus, or even 10 years and more. So without no additional cost. So this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Thank you very much, and stay tuned for the next tutorial.